Your content has power to captivate, convince, and convert. But what if I tell you there's a tool that can make your content game even stronger? You must have heard about it. Yes, it's ChatGPT. It's like having a 24/7 virtual assistant at your service, ready to write email, ad copies, blog posts, you name it. ChatGPT isn't an ordinary AI. It can completely transform your business. But here's the catch. While ChatGPT is incredible, throwing any old prompt its way won't make your content dream come true. You see, ChatGPT is genius, but it needs the right command, known as prompts. Ordinary prompts might get you decent result, but if you need extraordinary outcome, you need prompts that speak the language of your brand, your vibe, and your uniqueness. And guess what? That's where I come in. I'll create unique, effective, and powerful prompts tailored for your needs so you can have any kind of content you want in just one single click. Think about ad copies that not only persuade but leaves an imprint on mind. How about blog posts that reads like suspenseful novel, keeping your audience hooked? And it doesn't just stop there. Picture LinkedIn update that turns head, Instagram caption that resonate with your followers, and website content that not just inform but convert visitors into loyal customers.